Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair guys. In today's video guys we will show you how to remove and replace the Vvt Solenoid on Hyundai Elantra. This one guys will be generation 2011-2016. We'll have more than 200 videos taking the whole car apart guys. So if you need anything, most likely we will have it on the channel. Please subscribe. Also we started a new channel called Electrical Car Repair Live, and we'll be posting quite a few electrical videos about that car there as well. Fixing engine codes, airbag codes, diagnosing electronic components and things like that in the future. Please check it out and give a subscribe guys. So this video will cover the intake Vvt solenoid, the variable valve timing solenoid. You have intake, you have exhaust. The intake is on this side because you can see this is where your intake is, and if you need the exhaust video we will have it on the channel. You need to remove the engine cover guys. This one you just pull it straight out. If you haven't removed it in a while, it might be stuck. You can see it has 4 rubber bushings and posts. One here, there, over there, and one here. So you just pull it straight out. Now this is the intake Vvt solenoid right here. And we need to disconnect that one now. Okay, you can see that wire. You need to lift that thing up and pull the wire out. Grab it for this part. Do not grab for the wires itself because you can damage them. Now on the bottom side you have one, in our case it's 10mm socket. We need 10mm socket, and we need to remove that bolt right here. And we'll have a video how to test them as well, so you don't have to waste time and money buying a new one. Even though the test, check it out, the test can tell you with 95% probable accuracy if it's good or not. There is always some chance that it has a habitual sticking. Okay, it might sticks once in a while, but performs good when you test it. Once you remove that bolt, it will be really stuck. You can get a small screwdriver and gently go between the head and the Vvt solenoid and pull it straight out. Do not twist left or right. Okay, you need to just grab, and pull it straight out of there. Careful not to drop anything in the hole and not to make it dirty there as well. This is guys the intake Vvt solenoid. So when you are ready to install a new one, all you have to do, go ahead guys and install it in reverse order with 2 kilo apart. You get the new solenoid, you push it straight in, or remanufactured one depending which one you get. You need to apply a little bit of oil on the O-ring. You can get some from the dipstick. Apply a little bit on the O-ring because if it's dry it's not going to go in. And you push it in until it gets there. You need to align the bolt. You need to install that bolt again with a 10mm socket. And you need to get it tight. We have more about the codes that relate to it and all that stuff on the channel, and the new channel as well, Electrical Car Repair Live. Please give it a subscribe guys. Don't forget to connect your wire once you're done, because if you do not connect it, it's not going to work. So thank you guys for watching. Please subscribe and many more videos to come.